agreed to pay 4.3 billion and the CEO has stepped down, quote saying, "I made mistakes and I must take responsibility." This is after pleading guilty to charges of anti-money laundering. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is LindyShirries. In today's video, we are going to talk about Binance. Guys, if you're joining us for the first time, please do comment so we can talk about Binance. Are you safe with Binance? Do you need to withdraw your money? What now? Just yesterday, guys, I did a withdrawal using P2P and my money did land on my bank account. And now what to do? Do I continue building my crypto on Binance? What now? At this point and moment, how much do you trust Binance? Now the question is, what happened? For the past year, there have been civil and criminal investigation against Binance. The DOJ and SEC has been investigating Binance since 2018. All accusing Binance of accepting USA investors without being properly regulated and trying to hide that fact. Well, according to the chat that the CEO did in September 2019, he is saying if we block US users from day one, Binance will not be as big as we are today. Well, guys, it looks like Binance does rely on US investors to be as big as they are today. So he also said in that communication that it is better to ask for forgiveness than permission. So guys, we can see that the main factor why they did that, it's because of money. It is clear that 30% of Binance revenue is from USA. No wonder they kept US investors. 13 charges, guys. 13 charges, guys. So it looks like I am focusing on one charge. There is actually more. One of the compliance employee actually said, "Is washing drug money too hard for you? Come to Binance, we've got cake for you." Guys, this reminds me of a project that I joined, QZ Asset Management. Guys, they were using Binance to put the money, and at some point when the project started falling off, the money was actually stuck in Binance, and some of the users tried to get money there to get access to their money so that they can distribute. I don't know how they were planning to distribute money back to its users. So QZ Asset Management investors actually lost the money and eventually gave up. But then when I look at it, the money was stuck there and they could see the money there. And now I'm starting to think that maybe QZ Asset Management had a relationship with Binance to get the money out of Binance into their accounts. Guys, there's no way a person will burst such a big scam and then leave the money in Binance. So yeah, guys, this actually scares me because I do have money, I do have a portfolio on Binance, and now what is happening, I don't know what the US government is going to do because it looks like they gave priority to illegal activities just to accommodate the US investors because they were coming up with more money, whereas some of us out there outside US, we were not treated as VIP. Oh guys, this is getting more and more complicated. Should I remove my money? Because right now I am thinking
it is not safe to leave my money there.
But then maybe we should just wait and see what's going to happen. Yo guys, it gets deeper and deeper. Another example is between 2017 and April 2022, there were direct transfer of approximately 106 million in Bitcoin to Binance wallets from Hydra. Hydra was a popular Russian darknet marketplace frequently utilized by criminals that facilitated the sale of illegal goods and services. Binance. By failing to comply with the US law, Binance made it easy for criminals to move their funds in their exchange. Binance only stopped processing Hydra transactions in April of 2022 when the Justice Department and our German law enforcement partners seized control of the Hydra marketplace and shut it down. So all this time they didn't see that Hydra was actually a criminal entity doing criminal work, and they didn't stop working with Hydra up until 2022, guys. Binance. And now guys, listen to this. In June 2019, Binance publicly announced that it would block US users from Binance.com and launch a separate US exchange. That exchange, Binance US, would register with the Treasury Department and serve the US market. Binance blocked some of US users on Binance.com and redirected them to the US exchange. At the same time, however, Binance continued to allow some of its most important high-volume US users to remain on the unregistered Binance.com exchange. And now the question is, can Binance pay this 4.3 billion without dipping into our funds? Or can we really trust Binance with our funds if they are able to do such criminal activities? Can we really trust Binance with our funds? We need to look at factors like the CEO has just stepped down, and this is a CEO we used to interact with. He was very good with interacting with the community. So now what's going to happen, guys? Looking at this, I see that they have made 12 billion 2022 with 7,000 employees. So now taking 4.5 to pay the fee, will that affect Binance? So in court, he was asked that he didn't disclose the liability. So we can never know how much Binance owe or how much Binance make. And also including the activities that they used to make extra money, we can never know for sure how much Binance make. During the Binance CEO cross-questioning, he was asked why is he not getting audited, and he did say that some of the auditors are not able to audit crypto exchanges, whereas other companies out there, they do have auditors who are auditing their companies. So now, guys, this is a question that is posed to everyone who trusts Binance. How much do you trust Binance at this point and moment? Think about Hydra. Think about QZ Asset Management. Think about all the other activities that they are doing. Do you want to leave your money there? And this is a decision that you have to make for yourself. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything that I do, I'm just sharing content based on entertainment. I do not know these things. No one knows whether Binance is guilty. Yes, Binance did say they are guilty, but then the extra activities that might affect the crypto exchange, we don't know what they are doing. Well, it is said that Binance users have pulled over 1 billion within the last 24 hours ever since the CEO left. That's it, guys, for today's video, and I hope you are going to make the right decision for your money. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and forward this video to as many people as you can. And thank you so much for watching this video.